We're starting the broadcast with breaking updates coming in. This is the first response coming in from the government on the Judge Cash scandal. Law Minister Arjun Singh Meghwal, while responding to reporters on the cash controversy, says that we must await Supreme Court Committee's report on the matter.
देखिए उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट कार्रवाई कर रहा है और आपके ध्यान में भी आया जिसमें दो तो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं और एक जज हैं हाई कोर्ट के, उनकी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आने दो फिर बताएंगे। देखिए उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट कार्रवाई कर रहा है और आपके ध्यान में भी आया जिसमें दो तो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं और एक जज हैं हाई कोर्ट के, उनकी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आने दो फिर बताएंगे। देखिए उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट कार्रवाई कर रहा है और आपके ध्यान में भी आया जिसमें दो तो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं और एक जज हैं हाई कोर्ट के, उनकी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आने दो फिर बताएंगे।
Times Now's Priyank as well as Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. And remember, they've found the undeniable proof at the residence of the judge, burnt cash being found there. Sabyasachi, first to you. This is the first response coming in from the government. Of course, in the response, Arjun Meghwal says that we must wait for the Supreme Court committee to give its version of what happened.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, it's the first official reaction that has come in from the Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, where he says that the Supreme Court has taken cognizance of this matter and they have set up a three-member committee to look into this matter, and they have to wait for the report by the three committee to come out. Now, clearly, this is the first official response that has come in from the Law Minister. See, the Law Minister and the entire central government was maintaining their distance. Earlier also, the reaction that had been coming in from the central government was that it is a matter related to the judiciary and the judiciary is taking care of it. But finally, the Law Minister has spoken out. He says that let's wait for the report by the committee which has been set up by the Supreme Court. So clearly, the central government has also spoken in this regard. So clearly, a lot of new revelations coming out.
Yes.
We are reporting from the same spot where this morning we had found out the burning 500 notes from this particular area itself. So clearly, looking at these developments, the Union Law Minister has reacted.
Okay, all right. So clearly it can't get bigger than this. We now have the reaction of the government. But after the stunning cash scandal hit the judiciary, Times Now has in fact accessed the undeniable proof of the alleged unaccounted cash that was found at Justice Yashwant Verma's residence. Look at the visuals on your screen and they show you the mountain of the cash that was hidden in the storeroom in the burnt down fire. Now look at these visuals. This is what our team of correspondents found at the residence today. 9 days after the fire broke out, even now the remnants of cash still remain. These are 500 rupee denomination notes that have been found at the residence. Amid the mystery and a lot of intrigue around the case, Times Now has exclusively accessed the evidence of the money that was burned down in the fire. And this, remember, comes 9 days after the incident was reported. Times Now's team of reporters, Priyank, Sabyasachi as well as Aisha, spotted these burnt notes. Let's get you this ground report. And the question is, can this evidence be denied?
It's a massive exclusive that Times Now has access. It's a burnt piece of the 500 rupees note. See, from the day the incident has come into light, we had seen that visuals yesterday had been showing of the burnt 500 rupees notes. Today morning, we had seen that the burnt furnitures were kept in one place, but there was no traces of the cash. But we have finally accessed and found a burnt piece of the 500 rupees note that we are showing to our viewers. We have also spoken to the NDMC staff workers who were here. In fact, the NDMC staff workers have said that 4-5 days before they had collected around 25 to 30 burnt 500 notes from this location. I'm heading towards Isha. Isha, please take over.
Right, thank you, Sabyasachi. This is also a Sagarika, the note that we have recovered here. We will walk towards the spot from where we have found the notes. This is the spot where the NDMC truck was present. In fact, they were doing their duty. They were picking up the garbage. And Priyank Tripathi was the one who discovered the note here. And this is the exact place where the notes were found. This is where Priyank is also present. He was the one who discovered the notes here. And one of the bit is also in my hand. Request my camera person to also zoom in as to show the viewers the burnt note and the extent of the burnt that has happened. Over to Priyank now.
This is the massive disclosure which we have seen. The investigation actually was very easy. Any agency could have come here. We spotted NDMC officials at this location, and when we came here, our colleagues have picked a few of the notes. And this is the location. This is the wall, first of all. See, this is the wall of the house of Justice Verma. And when we reached here, see what we are finding. This is the respect which has been given to the note, which is praised like a god here. There's another piece of note. I would like to read out the number, although the numbers are not visible in this, but certainly what we can see that this is 9CE. That is the series of the number of these 500 rupees note, which is lying right here. So the fact of the matter is that over the period of last few hours, since the time the news broke out and we tried to bring out it for our viewers, we have been reporting on the ground, and this is what we are spotting. The color of the leaves are similar. That's why it was difficult for someone to actually spot that how the notes came here.
Story broken first on Times Now, and Times Now leading the coverage. You saw what our correspondents showed us. The proof is on the screens as we continue to play out these visuals. This is the evidence or the proof that has been found at the residence today, 9 days after the fire broke out. Dr. Adish C. Agarwala, the president of the International Council of Jurists, joins us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, and a very good afternoon to you. Dr. Adish, there are so many questions that remain unanswered on the ambiguity around the entire case. But more importantly, the latest, the visuals that we're seeing on the screens, not just burnt notes that still remain in the house, but also eyewitness accounts who say that they saw several notes, bundles of notes that had been burnt, found at the judge's residence.
First of all, I salute the wisdom of the Chief Justice of India and collegium member that they have constituted in-house committee. And all these evidence, but I'm sorry, when such burnt notes are in garbage, that should have not been there. That should have been properly collected. Police should have done the proper investigation. But now by releasing the report of the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, the Chief Justice of India has done right thing that the version of the concerned judge, Justice Verma, has also come out. He has pointed out that was not exclusively in the possession of that room, not exclusively in possession that was not locked. So this can be used. This is a planted money which is being claimed. So now in-house committee has to decide. In-house, the Honorable Chief Justice of India has already wrote to the government of India to transfer him. And at this moment, he has also requested the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court not to assign any judicial work for the time being till he is transferred to his parent, Allahabad High Court. So, because this has been done so that proper investigation can be done, so that the witnesses can make statement free from their free will, so that there is no pressure from any quarter. But immediately, the government of India should transfer, accept the proposal of Supreme Court to transfer so that he can also work. What you are showing, there is no dispute that money was there. How much? It is a question of dispute. Now, in investigation, Supreme Court has directed that the police should trace out with whom the learned judge was in contact for 6 months, with whom the telephone calls record should be protected, and that should be inquired into. We should have faith in our judicial system. If judge is found involved, then the Chief Justice of India can request the government to initiate impeachment proceeding. But by showing these notes, it is not appropriate. We are actually demeaning the entire judicial system. That we should not try at this moment that these notes have been found, burned notes have been found. It has to be seen.
Yes, but in fact, to put things in perspective, it's also important to mention that the action being initiated, the inquiry that has been ordered, comes after nationwide outrage over the same. In fact, we have relentlessly been talking about the issue, and there are questions of opaqueness of the judiciary that are coming in, which is why it's important to ensure transparency. In fact, I want to go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who did find these notes at the residence of the judge that still remain 9 days after the fire broke out at his residence. And Priyank, you know, it's important to mention this because we have details of what Justice Verma is said to have told the Delhi High Court Chief Justice, that the material that was burnt at his residence, at the storeroom, was actually just household items and mattresses. So the questions remain. Was there an attempt to hide the truth? Because the video that has now emerged shows on the day of the burning incident as well, huge mountain of cash that was found. In fact, the amount seems to be so much, there's no official account of it. Even now, the remnants remain at his residence, like you found.
Yeah, unfortunately, yes. There was a deliberate attempt to hide this information because going by the document which we have access from the Apex Court itself, which also has a statement of Justice Verma, when the Delhi High Court Chief Justice, Justice Upadhyay, spoke to him on 17th morning at around 8:30 at the guest house, he was talking about that how the furniture and other material was burned. When we spotted the location inside the house only where the remains of the burn material was kept, we could only see boxes, clothes and the furniture which was kept here. That certainly triggered a thought process in our team of reporters, me, Sabya, Sachin and Isha, to look for the remains, and we did not have to go too far to find the location. There was an NDMC truck which came after 4 days. They said that to me, obviously, that 4 days back they have found a pile of burn note from this location. So we waited for them to lift the leaf, the garbage is kept there, and when it was lifted, we found these pieces of notes. What Justice Verma has also stated, that there was a conspiracy to malign him, but look at the manner in which you have barbed wires, fencing, and gates, all these CRPF persons, Delhi police team, which is deployed there. So anyone who's not welcome, who is an outsider, is certainly not allowed to enter into this premises. And what the registrar's report to the Chief Justice of Delhi has also been stating, that when he reached to the location after the call, after the video which was given to them by the Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora, they could easily see that the area was clean. There was no pieces of burn note. But if at all they could have put in a bit of effort, I would say a bit of effort, then certainly justice shown so it's not even that. Just 25 meters away from the main gate, you have a garbage area, a dump area which is in the corner, where we could see all these traces of the burn note. This is a particular building which is certainly highlighting that how the things are happening. And certainly what visuals which I have shown to our viewers is very alarming. It's very shocking that those officials from the fire department who were talking about कि गांधी जी जल रहे हैं, Gandhi ji's burn note were clearly seen on the ground.
Absolutely. And, you know, it comes into question because there's also been a flip-flop on the part of the Delhi fire officials as well, who initially claimed that there was no cash found. And now the video evidence suggests otherwise. Stay with us. That's not all. Times Now, in another Times Now super exclusive, we also get you the eyewitness accounts. Times Now Sabyasachi spoke to the NDMC officials who revealed how they saw bundles of burnt cash in the garbage. Listen in.
These people from the NDMC, they have collected burnt notes of 500 from
here, and clearly you can see that they are claiming that from this particular debris area 500 bond notes were being collected. We'll try to get more words from them. सुरेंद्र जी, यहाँ पे कितने आपको नोट मिले थे जले हुए?
20-25 नोट थे वो जले हुए थे। वो
20-25 नोट थे। क्या मतलब 500 के थे, 2000 के थे?
500 के नोट।
500 के नोट?
हाँ जी।
और ये किस दिन की बात है अगर बता पाए?
ये 4-5 दिन हो गए सर।
4-5 दिन पहले मिले
जी
थे।
हाँ जी।
तो आपको आइडिया है कि इसी मकान से आए?
नहीं सर, इतना आइडिया हम भी बता सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसा कूड़ा तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है। कूड़ा कहीं से भी आ सकता है।
तो 20-25 ही थे?
हाँ, 20-25 नोट थे वो।
और ये कहाँ से मिले आपको?
सर इस तरफ से मिले थे, यहाँ से।
अच्छा, ये नीचे जो कूड़े हैं वहाँ से मिले थे? तो उसके बाद और मिले?
नहीं, उतने ही मिले थे बस।
उतने ही मिले
थे।
उसके बाद और नहीं?
उसके बाद नहीं मिले।
So there you go, that he has collected 500 rupee debris from the area, from the NDMC area, because see, at this particular point, this is the area where they are claiming that they have collected the burnt 500 rupee notes. See, earlier we were showing you the visuals that how the burnt furniture were placed, but the cash were missing. But here the NDMC workers who are here, they have said that 4 to 5 days back, they have collected the burnt 500 rupee note from this particular area.
ये जले हुए नोट थे यहाँ पे। ये हम कूड़ा उठा रहे थे तो उसमें पूरा नोट जला हुआ था, बीच का हिस्सा बचा हुआ था सिर्फ। 500 के नोट थे।
अलग सा नहीं लगा कि भैया अब इतना बड़ा इलाका है?
नहीं, वो हमने की सोचा, मैंने यहाँ किसी के घर में आग लगी होगी, उसके पैसे चल गए होंगे शायद। तो उसका कूड़ा यहाँ गिरा था, वो हम उठा रहे थे, उसमें से 500 के नोट निकल रहे थे जले हुए।
तो कितनी तादाद में होगा, कितना दे होगा?
वो ऐसे देखो ही मुश्किल से 20-25 नोट तो ऐसे थे, और कुछ कूड़े में जा चुके थे। जो दिख रहे थे हमें वही उठा रहे थे हम।
तो आपको पता है कि ये किसका घर है?
ये तो पता नहीं सर किसका घर है, लेकिन ये हमें ये पता है कि यहाँ काम करते हैं हम, तो छोटी गुलाई में से ही कूड़ा यहाँ का गिरा है ये।